This is the story of a girl with eyes the color of the sky and a journey she undertakes to save her village. It is a tale of courage, wisdom, and compassion. Now let us listen to the story of Asha. Once upon a time, in a small village nestled between rolling hills and dense forests, there lived a girl named Asha. Her most striking feature was her blue eyes, a rarity in her village. The villagers often whispered that her eyes held the sky's reflection, and some even believed she was touched by the divine. Asha lived with her grandmother, Amaya, who was the village healer. Amaya's wisdom and Asha's kindness made them beloved in the village. Asha spent her days gathering herbs and learning the ancient healing arts from Amaya. Her curiosity and eagerness to help others made her a quick learner. One day, as Asha wandered deep into the forest to find a rare herb, she stumbled upon a hidden grove. At the center of the grove was a crystal-clear pond, its water sparkling like diamonds under the sun. Intrigued, Asha knelt by the water's edge and gazed into it. To her astonishment, the reflection that stared back at her was not her own, but that of a woman with long silver hair and eyes as blue as the ocean. The woman spoke, her voice gentle and melodious. "Asha, you have found the pond of echo. I am Era, the guardian of this sacred place. It is said that those with pure hearts and clear intentions can communicate with the spirits of this pond." Asha, though startled, felt a strange calmness. She asked, "What do you wish for me, Era?" Era smiled. "Your village is in grave danger. A darkness is spreading from the mountains, and it will reach your home soon. Only someone with a heart as pure as yours can seek the help of the forest guardians and save your village." Asha nodded resolutely. "Tell me what I must do." Era instructed Asha to follow the path through the forest until she reached the ancient oak tree, where she would find the entrance to the realm of the forest guardians. They would test her, and only if she proved her worth would they lend their aid. Asha returned to her village to inform Amaya of her quest. Amaya gave her a satchel filled with herbs and a pendant for protection. With a heavy heart but a determined spirit, Asha set off into the forest. The journey was treacherous, with thorny bushes and hidden pitfalls, but Asha's blue eyes, which seemed to see more than others, helped her navigate the dangers. Finally, she reached the ancient oak tree. Its massive trunk was covered in intricate carvings that seemed to tell stories of old. Asha placed her hand on the tree, and a doorway appeared. She stepped through and found herself in a realm of ethereal beauty. Towering trees with leaves of gold and silver surrounded her, and the air was filled with the soft whispers of the forest spirits. A figure approached, tall and majestic, with antlers crowning his head. He was Oron, the leader of the forest guardians. "Why have you come, child of the blue eyes?" he asked. Asha explained her village's plight and her mission. Oron nodded, his eyes piercing it kind. "We shall test your heart, Asha. If you pass, we will help." Asha faced 3 trials. The trial of courage, where she had to confront her deepest fears. The trial of wisdom, where she had to solve ancient riddles. And the trial of compassion, where she had to heal a wounded creature with her knowledge of herbs. Asha's courage, wisdom, and compassion shone through each trial. Impressed, Oron and the guardians agreed to aid her. They gave her a vial of enchanted water from the Pond of Echo and instructed her to pour it into the village well to dispel the darkness. Asha hurried back to her village and, with Amaya by her side, poured the enchanted water into the well. A bright light emanated, spreading through the village and driving away the creeping darkness. The villagers rejoiced, their hearts filled with gratitude for Asha and her blue eyes, which had seen beyond the ordinary and brought them salvation. Asha's bravery and kindness became a legend, and she was celebrated as a hero whose pure heart saved her village from doom. And so Asha lived on, her blue eyes ever watchful, a symbol of hope and the extraordinary power of a pure heart. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe.